come and join us for a Canada Day vlog for 2024. Ooh. So my darlings, it's Canada Day here, July 1st, 2024, and we are at this place called the Tom's Place. For you, Tom's Place. It's a pub in the Best Western with the Moosehead. And so we've come.
Happy Canada Day. Cheers.
Cheers. And we're just starting out with some water. Well, Rob's having a coffee.
Decaf.
And decaf. And we're going to have escargot to start. And this, we've been here before. It's really nice. We're sitting in these awesome chairs. Ooh. And we're here at Tom's Place for our lunch. We didn't do the parade this year. We're doing something different. There's our escargot, my darlings, at Tom's Place. And it comes with bread too. So this is Rob's having his burger and fries, and I'm having the Caesar salad, and this is a enjoy. Thank you. What is it called? A prime rib sandwich.
Yep.
And I think that's must be gravy, and then he's got there's the horseradish for me and some condiments for Rob. But look at that. That looks really good. And Rob's does too.
Strudels fries are great.
Try them?
Yeah.
Nice and hot. Oh yeah, those look good. Good.
Good.
Our Canada Day lunch. Here we're starting the path, my darlings, onto the bridge here. This is the whole bridge. The new bridge. Happy Canada Day!
You too!
I don't know if you guys can see the water. I can't even. There. That railing is very high.
There's the walking path.
This is the walking path down there. My husband says, I can't see.
It goes all the way from over where we were.
Oh, okay. So we're on the bridge, my darlings. The new bridge in my city, connecting the other part of the city together. It's a gorgeous day on Canada Day. It's beautiful. I want to show you these people's got their docks and everything. You guys can see it around. The whole bridge. Goes to the other side there. Alright. So my darlings, we've made it to the end. We've now walked a little bit. There's the end. We walked all the way there. Now we're going to walk back. It was lovely. Such a beautiful day for Canada Day. I'm loving it. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made this pizza. I didn't do the crust. I didn't make the crust, but I did the toppings. Chopped the toppings. We got olives and goat cheese and yellow pepper, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and a little bit of some sauce on there. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And a little bit of Italian seasoning. So my darlings, here are some yellow beans that Rob picked from his bean plant. I do have to correct myself. In my last What's for Dinner video, I was showing you the update on how the plants and everything were looking, and I said they were green beans. They're yellow beans. as you can obviously see here. But anyways, this is our first little harvest. So thank you, to hubby for that. And I'm going to cook them up and boil them up in this pot for part of our dinner tonight. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. I made sausage pepper spaghetti. So I've got some red peppers in there, some orange peppers, and then I cooked up some sausage in the air fryer and then chopped it up and cooked some spaghettini. I think it's called the spaghettini noodles, and made my own little tomato sauce. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hope you're having a great night. Let me know what you're having. I'd love to hear. So my darlings, here's my little plate dished out of the sausage and pepper spaghettini, I think, spaghetti that I made. Good. Good. Sounds like hubby is enjoying it. So my darlings, I saw this online, so I thought I'm going to give it a try. Take a bagel, put cream cheese on it, and then if you have cinnamon sugar, I didn't, so I just took some cinnamon and sugar and mixed it together for this, and I'm going to sprinkle it on top here. I'll be right back. So there you have it. I put the cinnamon sugar on, and apparently you're supposed to put it in the air fryer on 400 for 8 minutes. So I'll be back when that's all done. So my darlings, I had my air fryer on for 400 for 8 minutes, but it didn't really do anything. Like, I can still see the cinnamon sugar. Like, that should have been all, I don't know. So I'm going to put it in a little bit longer, I guess. So my darlings, here they are. I put them back in for another 5. So I put it in for another 5. And this is what it looks like. I think this is going to be a fail. But anyways, I'll let you know what it tastes like. I just want to eat it now. So anyways. So my darlings, I wanted to show you my hydrangeas. But sadly, look at them. It's pouring rain. They're ruined. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. I made these sloppy joes. The buns are, like I said, still from Costco. It was a huge big bag my hubby bought. And we're using it's manwich. And I just did a little different this time. I put them in like open face with some grated cheddar cheese and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. We have a little bit left there. But anyways, I'm going to put them under the broiler. So here we go, my darlings. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. The sloppy joes. I did them open face this time and put some grated cheddar cheese and put them under the broiler. Then I put a little dollop. My little secret that I do is I like a little dollop of sour cream. So I put that, and we also have some carrot sticks. I know it's not a lot, but there's just cooking for 2, me and my hubby. If you have a family, you can make more of these. But this is just what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hope you're having a great night. Thank you.
Offers for you? Does anybody need it? Great, thank you.
So Rob's having a burger and fries. Look at that. Woo! And this is me. I'm having poppers. Cool. And Caesar salad. A big bowl of Caesar salad. It's supposed to be small. So my darlings, you're looking at some raspberries that I was given by my brother-in-law. He gave us a great big huge Ziploc bag full, but I just put them into smaller amounts to put them in the freezer. Oh my God, they're so good. So thank you to him. We really appreciate them, because I don't know if you guys know, but I always seem to think raspberries in the grocery store are very expensive. And he basically gave us one big, huge, big zipper lock bag full. So I got a bunch of little baggies full like this. So, good. And they're wonderful. So my darlings, I'm just having some breakfast, and I just wanted to share these strawberry banana Cheerios. Limited edition. And it says, "My love makes my heart happy." happy heart shapes. This is really good, and this is what it looks like. The cereal. And, like, you get the hint of the strawberry, the hint of the banana. Anyways, I quite like it. It's really good. So I would get this maybe an 8 out of 10. Let me know if you've tried the cereal. I'd love to hear. Good.